Hi, welcome to another piece of scrap. Today we're going to try and get a Norton 1963 SS 650 to run. Obviously you can see the bike's already been restored, but I've not actually got it running yet. So here it goes. Right, so basically what we're going to try and do, obviously, well not try, we're going to do, connect the battery up. We've got some hoses, a tap, auxiliary fuel tank, because the fuel tank's away for being repaired. Basically connect it up to the bike. Right, so we know the battery's connected. We've got comedy horn. Just whip that one off. Ow, finger. Take this bad boy off. Which hopefully...
Yes.
Ooh. Well... God, this thing's heavy.
Yeah, we have a spark.
Let's do them. Right, so now we've got a spark. All we need now is fuel, bit of legwork, and we're good to go.
Off to the garage.
Off to the garage, let's go. Right, first thing we need to do is obviously connect this to this, so at least we can turn the fuel off if it leaks. Right, Ed said this doesn't leak. That's now switched off, we shall see. We're going to use this, obviously connect it to... Right, that will then connect to this. That might leak, that's loose.
That might be.
Yeah.
But
right.
we have
We have the power to make this.
we have
many
many.
clips.
What we have here is another episode of professionalism and achievement.
Yeah. We have fuel. It's supposed to be gravity fed. It's going to go up. That's not going to be gravity
No,
fed.
we need to cut that pipe. We can cut the pipe, Chris. It's prepared to give its life for the greater good.
Juggling's not one of my fortes.
If we can fill that with vodka,
Gin,
vodka,
port.
port,
Oh, you know. Right, so we have all the ingredients we need.
for a big fire.
Now apparently there's a way of starting these things, i.e. you prime it. So you get down there,
Yeah.
got these little...
Pumpy,
Oh,
pumpy.
there we go. Oh, we got fuel. We did both sides.
Now, there's something leaking here.
What's that? Yeah, fuel.
Fuel.
Yes.
Is it meant to leak?
Yes, that is to prime...
What, outside?
Yeah, well, it do, because you obviously press that and it's leaking now.
Yeah, it is. It's dripping onto the...
Now, where's it dripping to?
Well, onto the electrical bit at the bottom.
That's alright, because apparently it's designed for that.
Alright.
Where do you think it's leaking to?
Well, I think it's coming from there.
Well, let's try it and see what happens. What's the worst it can do? I got no way of putting that.
We have a small fire.
That'd be fine.
Why? When you primed it?
Yeah.
Ah,
Yeah, don't
it's
do it
coming
anymore.
out of there then.
Because
Cloth.
that's put more fuel on that electrical bit you said about.
So let me get this straight. The primer pump is designed to actually overflow.
Yeah, do you know what, I'm going to turn the fuel off.
I would. There's enough in the pipe.
Right then. So apparently that's all you need. You've got electric, we've got spark, we now have fuel. Let's give it a go. Will she start? This bike has not been run for 30 to 35 years. Probably more than that. Obviously been restored, ready to go. Fuel, spark. Yeah, right, let's give it a go. Ow. Starting old classic bikes. Always do a compression stroke first. Dangerous to talk in. Ooh. Ooh. And guess what? It still doesn't start after 35 years.
So back to the kettle.
Yes. Why won't you start? Oh. Right, before my leg falls off from trying to kick it over, she obviously wants to start, but she just doesn't seem to want to stay running. A bit more, maybe the carbs need setting up and checking over, but I think they're brand new carbs. Yeah, I think back to the kettle again, I'm afraid.
Well, after the debacle of trying to make this run, believe it or not, it was actually parked up then for about a year. Many things have happened, COVID, work, that sort of thing, but as winter's fast approaching, we thought what better time than to actually have another crack at making this Norton fire into life.
Right, this is first attempt number 1. We have fuel, we have a spark.
We had that last time.
Did we?
We did have all that last time. What we didn't have a year ago was a fuel tank.
Ah, that's true.
Come on, the winter's here, you know you want to.
Never will edit this. So, hey, I won't look so knackered. The video will start first.
I'm trying to get your ass out of shot.
How rude. Well, you're inside my hair. Now you're inside my ass. I'll try a bit more fuel. The fuel's key. There is the issue of the fuel in here is from last year. Because we're too tight to bike.
Well, that's a win.
No way.
I'm taking that as a win.
We can fix something.
We've done it. We've actually done it. Well, you've done it.
No, that's normal. Apparently it's a normal. Well, there we go.
Well, that's really good.
That's stunning. Well, that's better than it's done. That's honestly, we fitted the battery. So the old battery, about a year old, it was knackered. And that's the first time we've actually tried it to get it running. Honestly, to God, you know this channel, we don't fake anything because we're so crap at it. Well, we do fake a little bit. Go on, that's probably worth a like and subscribe. That's a great result for us. Chuffed to bits. Nice to actually have a outcome to one of our videos.
A result to our videos.
It's a result, it certainly is.
Well, thank you for watching. This is done just in time for the winter.
Yeah, ideal time to ride a bike.
And we'll see you next time in one of our future adventures.